Yeah.
Okay. Sweaty. I thought you was videoing and then you want to sit down. Terrible. Terrible.
I could do this though.
What? Look at a book and look at the camera?
Yeah.
I'm fired. So fired. So fired. Here. The only part is, this is why zip ties would be better. Cause like the zip tie, you don't have to do it like
I mean, yeah.
twice. And plus with the zip tie, you can get it real tight.
Yeah, but zip ties are like really hard to get off.
You can cut it off with some scissors.
That kind of like the zip tie.
Hmm. And this looks like a big piece of dough.
I mean, it does.
I think I'm gonna use black at the bottom and maybe black at the top, and then the other colors in between. That way black hopefully doesn't like ruin the whole shirt.
Yeah.
Because black can really ruin the shirt if you put too much on it.
Yeah, because black can make it look all brown and stuff.
And then not only that, you got too much you don't see all the colors.
Yeah. And that sucks. And then the only color it will be is brown.
Black and brown.
Gross.
But that can happen if you put too many dark colors too.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Like if your whole shirt is like nothing but dark colors, the same thing can happen. Oh, give me this rack right here, so I can just go ahead and sit it up there.
I'm gonna stay out of the camera.
You know what? No, I ain't worried about it. Because it got blue and stuff on it. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'll leave it like this here. All that down my fingers. And see how I'm dark clothes? That way I don't drop my dye. Because the dye, it's a possibility it'll come out the shirt, and it's a possibility it won't. Yeah. Yeah.
That reminds me of something.
Take the black. Ugh. Put it at the bottom of the shirt.
Hey, Mom.
Hmm.
Do you hate the color black?
It's very dark and depressing. It's not my favorite color.
I like the color.
Okay, then maybe I can do blue. Because see, the black is going to spread out a little bit too, so take some blue.
Wait, if you put it on one side, will the color go on both sides?
What? Like on this one side?
No, like on both sides.
Like when I flip it over?
Wait,
I'm gonna have to flip it over. Yeah, but just what?
did you just run out of blue?
Yeah. So I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to use blue again.
Can't you just
When I
put
flip-
water in it again?
I guess.
Do you want me to put water in it again?
Did you do another yellow? Or was just that much yellow left over?
Yeah. I didn't really use that much yellow.
I'm about to yellow this thing out. There's a lot of yellow left.
Yeah, I didn't really use it last time or this time.
Yes, a little purple. Ain't a lot of purple, no way. Like a whole giant snow cone.
But snow cones are delicious.
I know. So I wasn't saying it in a bad way. I said
But
a whole
actually-
snow cone.
Last time I went to the park, I
It's
saw like
over.
this weird ice cream snow cone thing in the dirt. It was very gross.
I'm checking, adding my black to the end. I'm just trying to use all the colors and stuff. And honestly, when you let it sit, that's when all the colors kind of start seeping through more. I might actually keep the bottles because you know you can buy individual dyes.
Really?
Yeah. And there's no sense in buying more bottles when I can just get whatever color, clean these out and use them or whatever.
And they kind of look like ketchup bottles.
I ran out. I'm gonna put yellow over there.
Wait, I think I can like fill it. Can you like refill it?
Red to that one.
Does that mean I can like go get some water and put some in the blue?
No.
So we just.
I don't think that's gonna work. You can put some. Try to put some in here.
I'll try it.
Throw your. I don't have to be done. The purple. And the yellow over here or whatever. Purple and yellow all over. I'm running out of.
What are you putting on?
Oh, the yellow is blending well with those colors. I like that yellow is a little power, little feisty thing.
Hey, yeah.
Huh?
Really bright.
No, because it jumped, like when you put it on these dark colors, it's really like coming through. What? Why didn't you fill it all the way up?
I don't know if it worked though. Probably didn't. Okay.
It's gonna be a little light. I don't think it's gonna work that well. So I'm gonna sit that to the side and I'm just gonna use the yellow. Cause I know yellow.
It's really powerful.
See, the thing about it is that's just water and dye. This is just a whole lot of dye, so it's gonna be way more saturated and work a little bit more. Okay.
Yellow is really
You
powerful.
hit the red button. No. Wait a minute. Don't hit it yet, cause I gotta still put this inside the bag.
Wait.
I gotta put.
I noticed you never used
give me a
orange.
bag. Give me a bag. Huh?
You didn't use orange.
I did use it. I think I ended up blending it with like what's the name? I mean, I can't use all of them on one shirt. I tried, but I ran out of space. Hold on, I might have a space. Oh, give me the bag.
I didn't get in the camera.
You want to get in there anyway?
No.
We should have did a live doing these shirts when we did them.
I really wish they still
She
had a
was
white
sitting
shirt.
around frowning with an attitude. I was like, forget it. I ain't gonna do it.
Wait, what?
Yep.
I wish we still had a white shirt.
You ain't got no more. I this one.
I thought I had a white shirt in my room before. But now it's gone.
Oh.
Wait, can we dye like any kind of thing that's white?
What you got that's white?
I think that.
I almost slipped off the chair. Get me. Yeah.
Wait, let me.
Okay, hit the red button.